Hi, Evan. Do you have the little baby hiccups?
I had this roasted. Mommy, I had this roasted.
Okay, you can have that lotion, baby.
I eat that roasted.
No, don't eat it. Rub it on your knee.
Oh, and the knee.
Evan.